Welcome to the best picks. The best Halloween baby shower is probably one of the most creative and unique baby shower themes you can choose, offering a delightful blend of spooky fun and heartwarming celebration. It allows for a wide range of decorations, from cute and cuddly ghosts and pumpkins to more sophisticated and elegant Halloween motifs, ensuring a memorable event for both parents-to-be and their guests. Whether you prefer a whimsical, playful atmosphere or a more subtly spooky ambience, a Halloween-themed baby shower provides ample opportunities for personalization and creativity, making it a truly special occasion. Number 5. Halloween baby shower decorations. Announce your little one's arrival with this adorable Halloween-themed banner. It's already assembled, so you can decorate in a flash. These aren't your average baby shower decorations. The unique Halloween theme adds a fun, festive touch to your celebration. Made from high-quality paper and foil, these decorations are durable and reusable. They'll look great and last through your party. Perfect for a Halloween-themed baby shower, gender reveal, or even a birthday party. They're also great for home decor. Simply hang the banner and swirls. The pre-assembled banner and easy-to-use pieces save you time and effort, letting you focus on the fun. This kit has everything you need: a banner, hanging swirls, and cake toppers. It's a complete party solution, ready to use. What we like? This package has everything you need to create a spooktacular Halloween baby shower. It's pre-assembled, saving you valuable time. If you're looking for a convenient and complete decoration set, this is the perfect choice for your party. What people say. This kit came with so much we ended up not even needing to use all the decor at the shower. Very cute, high quality. This was the perfect touch for a Halloween-themed baby shower. The decorations were a huge hit with all of the guests. These decorations made our party so much more fun. High quality. Number 4. Qian 7x5-foot Halloween backdrop. It's a 7x5-foot backdrop, ideal for capturing spooky memories. Made from durable polyester, it's easy to use and will last for many Halloween celebrations. This backdrop is made of a smooth, brightly colored polyester fabric. It's lightweight yet durable, ensuring it can withstand multiple uses. We use advanced digital printing technology for vivid and clear images. The colors are rich and won't fade easily, guaranteeing stunning photos. It's simple to set up, just hang it and you're ready to go. No complicated assembly required. The package includes only the backdrop itself. No additional accessories are included, but it's ready to use with your existing props. Please note that due to differences in monitor settings and lighting, there might be a slight color variation. This is completely normal. What we like? Create an unforgettable Halloween atmosphere with this large, vibrant backdrop. Its high-quality material ensures it's reusable for future events. If you need a stunning photo backdrop for your Halloween baby shower, this is the one for you. What people say. Love the material. Nice and big. Themed and cute for photos. All things ordered was perfect. Number 3. Little Boo Party Kit. Get ready to be spooked in the cutest way possible. Let's unbox this adorable Halloween party kit, perfect for a baby shower or first birthday. Look at this charming Little Boo banner. It's the perfect addition to set a spooky yet cute Halloween atmosphere for your party. This adorable cake topper is the finishing touch for your Halloween cake. It's so cute, you won't want to cut into it. These bat and skeleton mylar balloons add a touch of spooky fun. Remember, they need high-purity helium to float properly due to their shape. With 60 latex balloons and 24 cupcake toppers, you'll have everything you need to decorate your party. Note that there's talcum powder to prevent the balloons from sticking together. It's easy to put together. Everything you need, including strings, a plastic needle, sticks, and glue spots, is included. Just take a little time to assemble the banner and cake topper. What we like? This kit offers a wide variety of decorations for a fun and festive Halloween baby shower. It's great value for money. If you're on a budget but still want a memorable party, this is your best bet. What people say. Nice set for Halloween-themed baby shower, paired with a few matching items, and everyone loved the decor. Some things in these photos that were taken for this review were not a part of the package, but everything shown in the sales picture are definitely in there. The balloons were of great quality. Number 2. Mocsicka Halloween Baby Shower Backdrop. It's a spooky season celebration. This backdrop sets the perfect Halloween mood for your baby shower, creating a memorable and unique atmosphere for photos and fun. With vibrant colors and crisp details, it's digitally printed for a professional look. It's sure to impress your guests and make your photos pop. Measuring 7 by 5 feet, 210 by 150 centimeters, it's ideal for indoor or outdoor use. Easily hang it up or use it as a fun photo booth backdrop. Made from lightweight, foldable cotton, it's easy to transport and store. Plus, it's easy to iron out any wrinkles after shipping. After the shower, repurpose it. Use it as curtains, a tablecloth, or even fun pillow covers. It's so versatile. Simply hang it up with clips, nails, or tape. To remove wrinkles, gently iron the back side on low heat. Enjoy your party. What we like. This backdrop is perfect for creating a magical Halloween atmosphere at your baby shower. It's easy to hang and looks amazing in photos. If you want a beautiful and easy to use backdrop, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This made an adorable backdrop for a baby shower. Arrived quickly and looks exactly as advertised. Number 1. A Baby is Brewing Cake Topper. It's uniquely designed to add a spooky cute touch to your gender reveal cake or even as a fun photo booth prop. It's the perfect finishing touch for your special day. This topper is crafted from high-quality paper, ensuring it's sturdy, won't shed, and is completely safe for your cake and guests. You can trust it won't contaminate your food. It's ready to use right out of the box. Simply open the package and place it on your cake, no complicated assembly needed. We take extra care to protect it during shipping with sturdy cardboard packaging. You can order with confidence knowing it will arrive in perfect condition. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're always happy to assist you. What we like. This cake topper adds a touch of Halloween charm to your baby shower cake. It's made from safe, high-quality materials and requires no assembly. If you want a simple yet elegant cake topper, this is perfect for you. What people say. It is very well made and is the perfect topper for the diaper cake. It is strong and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.